Good morning students, this is 8th class maths. Students, in the previous video we just did the addition of the polynomials. In this video I will explain about subtraction and multiplication of two polynomials. So for subtraction I am going to explain fifth question. Here question number 1 is subtract the first polynomial from the second, means first polynomial को second में से minus करना है. Then you will write the second polynomial at first. Here 5x plus 7x square plus 9. Then subtraction we are going to do, so minus sign will come. Then first expression you will write 6x square plus 5x minus 1. So two methods are there. You can adopt any one. You can do by combining like terms also or column method also. Here I am going to arrange this polynomial into descending order. So x square term will come first. Here power is 1. So highest power will come first. 7x square, then this minus 5x will come at second plus 9. इसका राजे outside is my negative sign, so in the bracket we will change the sign, but no need to do, we will write just like same. Now first x polynomial we will write as it is. नीचे लिखेंगे 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x माइनस 1. Then for subtraction we will just change the sign. Here positive sign is there, so negative will come here. Negative sign is there, we will write plus. Same like addition, but we have to change the sign. So 7 minus 6 is 1. 1x square. So this sign we will not consider, we will consider this sign. So this is minus, this is minus, minus minus plus. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Both are negative. So here negative sign will come. 10x. This. Now this minus we will not look, we will see this plus. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is the answer. Only you have to keep in your mind कि second polynomial will come at first, then negative sign, then first polynomial, then same like addition you will write in columns and just change the sign according to that. You will have to solve. I think concept is very clear to you. Next is multiplication. So for multiplication, first question is minus 5a square b square by minus 6ab. First of all, we will write multiply sign instead of by. So a square b square multiply by minus 6ab. So first of all we will multiply the constant terms, means minus 5 multiply by minus 6, then a power 2, here no powers are given, so we will write 1 1. So a power 2 multiply a power 1, then b terms b power 2 multiply b power 1. So 6 5s are 30, minus minus is plus, no need to write plus here, only write 30. Raja, here we will not multiply this, we will just write the base one time and powers will be added like same you did in third chapter. मीन्स बेस एक बार लिखना है और पावर्स ऐड होंगे, ठीक है. देन b, here base is b and 2 plus 1 is 3. Now this is the answer. Another example, I am taking fourth question. 2x square minus 4x plus 1 by 3x minus 1. Then to solve this, 2x square minus 4x plus 1 multiply by 3x minus 1. सबसे पहले बच्चे 2x स्क्वायर को इस टर्म से करना है मल्टीप्लाई, दोनों टर्म्स में, इस एक्सप्रेशन में. देन 4x को इन दोनों से, देन 1 को. ठीक है. सो इन द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म आई एम राइटिंग 2x स्क्वायर को करेंगे 3x माइनस 1, देन माइनस 4x 3x माइनस 1, फिर प्लस 1 को करेंगे 3x माइनस 1. आई थिंक कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर टू यू. फर्स्ट टर्म को लिखना है दोनों के साथ, देन माइनस, फिर 4x को इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 1 को कर दो. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स 2x स्क्वायर को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 3x के साथ, 2x स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई 3x, फिर 2x स्क्वायर को 1 के साथ कर दो, मीन्स 2x स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1, माइनस 4x को कर दो 3x के साथ, देन 4x को कर दो. हियर आउटसाइड इज नेगेटिव साइन, इनसाइड इज नेगेटिव, सो इट्स साइन विल बी चेंज्ड. प्लस 4x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1, देन 1 को इस पॉलिनोमियल से करोगे सेम 3x माइनस 1. नाउ कांस्टेंट टर्म्स विल बी मल्टीप्लाई, 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इज 6. हियर वी विल एड द पावर्स ऑफ वेरिएबल बिकॉज बेस इज सेम, x पावर 3, देन 2 1s are 2 x square, then 4 3s are 12. Here power is 1, here power is 1, so x power 1 plus 1 is 2. 4x multiplied by 1 is 4x plus 3x minus 1. Now 6x raised to power 3. Then राजे here these two are like terms, इनको ऐड करेंगे. माइनस माइनस प्लस 12 प्लस 2 इज 14. 14x square. X square we will write one time because we already add these coefficients. Then these two are like terms, इनको ऐड कर दो. 4x plus 3x is 7x minus 1. This is the answer. So all questions are same. So student, practice by yourself by taking the help of written assignments. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.